Myth or fact, do cruciferous vegetables harm thyroid health? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic that has many people concerned. Are cruciferous vegetables really bad for your thyroid? There's a lot of buzz around whether these healthy greens could be harming your thyroid health. Let's dive in and find out what's true. Introduction to thyroid function. First, let's start with the basics. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck. It plays a critical role in regulating your body's metabolism, energy levels, and overall growth. The thyroid produces hormones, mainly thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3, which help control how your body uses energy. These hormones are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, regulating body temperature, and ensuring proper growth and development. The thyroid needs iodine to produce these hormones. Iodine is a mineral found in various foods, and it's crucial for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Without enough iodine, the thyroid cannot produce sufficient hormones, which can lead to conditions like hypothyroidism, where your thyroid is underactive. Cruciferous vegetables and their components. Now, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. These include popular veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. They're known for their high nutrient content, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But there's a compound in these vegetables called thioglucosides, which, when broken down in the body, form substances known as thiocyanates. Thiocyanates can interfere with the thyroid's ability to absorb iodine. This is because they compete with iodine for uptake by the thyroid gland. When the thyroid doesn't get enough iodine, its ability to produce thyroid hormones can be compromised, potentially leading to hypothyroidism, a condition where the thyroid doesn't produce enough hormones. However, it's important to note that the effect of thiocyanates is usually only significant if you consume very large amounts of these vegetables. For most people, eating cruciferous vegetables in moderate amounts is not a cause for concern. Scientific evidence and expert opinions to get a clearer picture. Let's look at some scientific research. Studies have shown that while thiocyanates can impact thyroid function, the effect is generally minimal unless you're consuming very high amounts of cruciferous vegetables on a regular basis. In fact, many studies have found that for most people, including cruciferous vegetables in your diet does not lead to thyroid problems. These vegetables are actually quite nutritious and offer many health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain cancers and improving digestion due to their high fiber content. Experts recommend that individuals with thyroid issues or those at risk should be mindful of their intake, but they generally agree that moderate consumption is safe and beneficial. How to safely enjoy cruciferous vegetables if you're concerned about thyroid health but still want to enjoy these vegetables. Here are some tips. Cooking cruciferous vegetables can help reduce their goitrogenic compounds, which are substances that interfere with iodine uptake. Heat can break down these compounds, making the vegetables less likely to affect your thyroid function. Another tip is to diversify your diet. Make sure you're getting enough iodine from other sources. Foods like fish, dairy products, and iodized salt are excellent sources of iodine. This can help ensure that even if you consume some cruciferous vegetables, your thyroid still gets the iodine it needs. Other dietary considerations for thyroid health. Beyond just focusing on cruciferous vegetables, there are other dietary considerations that can support thyroid health. Ensure your diet includes foods rich in iodine, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients play important roles in thyroid function and overall health. For example, selenium, found in Brazil nuts and seafood, helps protect the thyroid gland from damage. Zinc, present in meats, beans, and nuts, is essential for thyroid hormone production and metabolism. Recap and call to action. To sum up, while cruciferous vegetables do contain compounds that can affect thyroid function, consuming them in moderation is generally safe for most people. Cooking these vegetables and maintaining a balanced diet with adequate iodine can help you enjoy their benefits without worry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Have questions or personal experiences with thyroid health and cruciferous vegetables? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.